everybody, this is Michael out in Maui. Aloha. So if you've been enjoying the videos I've been putting out, I recommend subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified every single time I put out a new video. Been putting out 3 videos a week, straight tutorial, on how to throw. So today I thought I would do a old school teaching on what does it feel like to throw the pole through. What's the best way to visualize what the pull through feels like. So this is an old school teaching 30 years ago or more. So when you're reaching back and you pull to here, this is starting the lawnmower. So you pull your lawnmower cord to start the lawnmower. Pull. The cord broke. Throw the disc. That sudden jerk from when the cord breaks on you, that is the way the throw releases. So once again, you're starting the lawnmower. The cord breaks. Whoops. Heads up. Okay, landed over there. So that's what's called starting the lawnmower on how to pull through with your arm to throw the disc. Right here, and then when the rope breaks, throw the disc. A little old school teaching. Anyways, this is Michael from Maui. Aloha.